Tired of spending hours cleaning the house with old school tools? In this video, we're revealing Amazon cleaning gadgets you probably didn't even know existed. And trust us, they'll change how you clean forever. From futuristic dusters to smart scrubbers, get ready to see clever tools that do the dirty work for you. Meet the electric spin scrubber that's making deep cleaning feel effortless. With 2 powerful speed modes, 6 interchangeable brush heads, and an extendable handle, it tackles everything from tile grout to bathtubs. No bending or back pain required. Lightweight, cordless, and waterproof, it delivers up to 120 minutes of cleaning power on a single charge, perfect for reaching every corner without the hassle. This 5-in-1 cordless bed vacuum cleaner isn't just powerful, it's smart. With 16 kPa suction, UVC light, and ultrasonic tapping, it digs deep into your mattress to remove dust and allergens while monitoring humidity levels in real time. Equipped with a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of fine particles, it keeps your sleep space cleaner, fresher, and healthier, without the heavy lifting. Don't let the size fool you. This portable mini mop packs serious cleaning power. With high-quality cotton heads, deep groove design, and one-handed squeeze control, it absorbs spills and scrubs away stubborn stains on any floor type. Lightweight and easy to use, it turns everyday messes into quick wins, making cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a breeze. This 360-degree rotatable triangle mop is the ultimate tool for reaching where other mops can't. With a self-wringing microfiber head, extendable handle, and squeegee combo, it glides across floors, walls, ceilings, and baseboards with ease. Perfect for tight corners and high spots, it's a versatile must-have for anyone who wants spotless results without the stretch and strain. Say goodbye to pet hair on your couch, clothes, and car seats. This reusable lint roller handles it all. Unlike sticky tape rollers, it traps every strand of fur into a built-in compartment with a simple back-and-forth motion. No refills needed. It's the eco-friendly, mess-free solution every pet owner wishes they'd found sooner. This heavy-duty carpet cleaner doesn't just clean, it transforms your floors. With 5 spin scrub brushes, dual water tanks, and a built-in solution mixer, it lifts deep stains and dries faster with heat force technology. Complete with pet, upholstery, and crevice tools, it's the ultimate machine for carpets, couches, and everything in between. This dryer vent cleaner kit is a simple tool that makes a big difference in home safety. With a long, flexible steel shaft and thick bristles, it reaches deep into vents and under appliances to remove trapped lint, dust, and pet hair. Regular use not only boosts dryer performance, it also helps prevent dangerous fire hazards hiding in your laundry room. Say hello to 70 days of hands-free cleaning with this smart robot vacuum and mop combo. With 6,000 PA suction power, dual vacuuming and mopping functions, and real-time LiDAR navigation, it delivers deep, precise cleaning without bumping into furniture or missing a spot. Backed by a 5,000 mAh battery and self-emptying dust bag, it's the perfect low-maintenance cleaning solution for busy homes and pet owners alike. This upgraded damp duster sponge features a 23 U-shaped groove that grabs dust, hair, and grime with just one swipe. Soak it, squeeze it, and watch it trap dirt without leaving streaks or kicking up particles into the air. Perfect for blinds, vents, and baseboards. Soft, flexible, and ultra-absorbent, it's a must-have tool for effortless, all-around home cleaning. This crevice cleaning brush is built for the grime hiding where other tools can't reach. With ultra-fine, stiff bristles and a comfortable grip, it scrubs deep into window tracks, shower door gaps, sink edges, and more, leaving no dirt behind. Durable and multi-purpose, it's the perfect handheld tool for tight spots that demand tough cleaning power. This 30-foot dryer vent cleaner kit helps you reach deep into vents, chimneys, and ducts to clear out stubborn lint and dust. With flexible rods and 2 durable brush heads, it can be used by hand or with a power drill for pro-level results. No special tools needed. By boosting airflow and efficiency, it helps your dryer run faster, safer, and more energy efficient. This elegant glass rinser installs in minutes and turns any kitchen sink into a high-powered cup cleaner. With a simple press, it blasts water in all directions to rinse baby bottles, wine glasses, and travel cups in seconds. No more scrubbing or soaking. Its stylish finish resists water spots, and the self-draining tray keeps everything clean and mess-free.